Did you know that some ants can lift 50 times their own weight? That's like you lifting a car. Let's dive into the amazing world of ants. Ants may be tiny, but they're some of the strongest and smartest creatures on Earth. They use chemical signals to talk, build massive underground cities, and some even farm fungus for food. And get this, some ants can build bridges using their own bodies to cross gaps. Teamwork at its finest. During floods, ants form living rafts to survive, floating together until they find dry land. Ants have been around for over 100 million years, proving that teamwork makes the dream work. What's the coolest ant fact you know?